emotionally fulfilling. In the part of number 11, I experience happiness when I listen to music. What level of happiness? Level open na siya. Hindi siya kuhan. Oh, that's the highest. I know this, I think this is the highest. I experience happiness when I listen to music in class. But kapag kami dito, find singing emotionally fulfilling. Parang to the highest level na, emotionally fulfilling ang singing. Pero, ang diri, I experience happiness when I listen. Listening is different from find singing man mo, find singing emotionally fulfilling. Singing, sa to pa siya. Pag diri, nag-listen ra. Pag dito, nag-sing na siya. Diba? So, dapat, gano'n mo, how are you going to make an implication based on the result? Then you refrain from using majority of the respondents because you can use that one on the first line. Do not do it in the second line. Because in the implication, we're not giving implication in each indicator, but what we're going to do is to get the concept of every indicators, and then that's the time that we can give the implication. Kasi nakasabot ka, what is the result of your table? Kailangan makasabot ka sa result sa table before giving the implication. Not on repeating again what is the content of your table. Wala naman na siya. Remember that you are the researcher. You are giving implication or interpreting the result of the table by giving an implication on it. That is your work as a researcher. Wala mo naging mo nga, nakalingaw mo og dalantaw, dayon i-repeat again, describing what is the content of the table. That is not an implication. You are not there to describe, but you are there to give an interpretation by way of giving an implication of the results sa table. So slightly experience, so go on with it. May mga positive, may mga open, or kung ano na siya, moderate lang niyang buwan, or kung ano na sa agreement na, that's agree. Did you get me? That's agree, it belongs to agree. So, since agree lang siya, then what will be the right word that I'm going to use to align with the result, which is agree? Not on that strongly agree. I find singing, fulfilling, emotionally fulfilling, parang to the extent na siya. Did you get me? Pero hindi man na siya on way of singing as, but listening. In the content, it talks about listening, but in your interpretation or implication, you go on with the emotional singing ka ba? Singing. Parang ikaw ang nag-sing. But the quality is listening only. Listening to the music. Nakuha ninyo? So that is why I want you to revise, to align your answer, to align your implication with the result of the table. So it's the alignment here. Ay, but example, kung ako na highest level yung result, wala siya eh. So, Anna, what about you, Miss Imino? In your SOP number 2, you have how many sub-variables?
We have two.
2. Those are?
Shapes recognition and color recognition.
Okay, shape recognition and color. So it's all about shape and color. Now, in the 2, who got the most? What's the most?
Which variable?
Color recognition.
Color recognition. That is actually the variable that holds the highest. But they have the same interpretation. Interpretation of the result. Diba? So, with that, dapat, in your implication, and then with the implication of the first table, diba? On the second table, which is same siya, it's above average on the listening skills. Pero, why is it that you have the implication nga naturally good listeners and better at processing verbal cues related to shapes? What is that? Why is it that you have that answer? Shapes, aiding visualization, and language that often involves special concepts that can enhance shape understanding. What is the basis of your answer? Where can I find your rubrics? Sa inyong iba, you conducted a survey.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, your survey kay, ano naman siya? This is, you have the survey or the questionnaire on getting excellent, mga scores niya. 1 to 15. You have the questionnaire. Now, ano siya? Exact answer or just using the rubrics? Where is your questionnaire? Para makakita ko, kaya you are telling me about your interpretation ng good, ang cues, sa kaning, verbal cues. Then, I cannot find kung asa nakita. Oh, naman ko, implies, asa naman ko nakita niya? Color combination ba muna? Or shape?
Shape.
Oh, ingon ka nga, are naturally good listeners and better at processing verbal related shapes, aiding visualization and language. Dahil sa gusto kong lantaw sa inyong kanang katong survey ba? Kay, why is it that you have that implication na in the result here is na excellent listening skills, above average, and poor. Now, it's above average ang listening skills. Pag-abot dani, naturally born listeners and better at processing verbal cues. Dayon related to shapes. Asa man ano sa inyong mga kuan? Questionnaire?
Questionnaire ma'am, pero wala siya scoring or
Ako nakita man.
scoring guidelines nito. Sa chapter 3 ma'am, wala. Yung questionnaire, pero wala sila
Scoring.
together, how are you going to rate their ilang
Performance.
tabular edition silang performance nila, edition, color edition, yun sa inyo pag
One, ma'am.
sila.
Questionnaires.
Wala siya yung scoring guide, how would we know that they got the average score?
Yung sa ninyo pag-determine na mas maayo ang performance when it comes to color recognition as compared with
Bali, kami may nagbasa.
tapos ito
Yung sa ilang pag-grade, sa inyo
Grade.
kinder ko ma'am
Kinder.
Yung sa inyo pag-determine
Oh.
ilang
Bali, kami, gi-check lang na mo, ma'am, kay gipasabot man na mo
ang activity nila kaya ang output asa nalibasa ninyo ang scores like yung pa
Assignments is point to square.
ita sa tagsalan na director ng kay listening man so if ever makakorrect the student could, or the kindergarten could give a
Do you
correct
have
answer as
a
points.
video?
Yes.
Yes.
Naan, nila?
Yes.
Sige daw. Ipa-play ang video.
Prepare na ninyo.
Assignments is point to a square. Ning point sa nagbata sa square.
Yes, ma'am. Kaya I remember during the proposal, it was agreed na ikuha na ulit sa bata. Kaya necessary pa mag isulat na ito, we have to provide translation pa man, necessary translation.
Video mo ay kuan niya.
Yes po, and also have to po man, measuring the
Sige daw,
same.
tanawat. Sige daw.
Sige ma'am.
Sige daw. Okay na niya.
Dili ma'am, kaya mag-separate lang. Kung colors, so dalo na nila colors. The purple, daw niya sa set ko, na purple.
Gusto ko bro. Ako gi-draw. Wrong.
Sa color.
Mm. So, individual ninyo, your respondents in the public schools or in the private?
Public.
Public now, kindergarten in what particular area?
Sa school.
Abaga.
School ba?
Abaga.
Abaga. Abaga Central.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, the result is in the color sheet,
Yes ma'am.
color sheet above average, and then also in the sorry, color dayon shape the same above average, but they are more on the shape, but the color parang but still the same ang yung interpretation. So processing relationship, aiding visual and language and open enrolled. Do not talk about majority, but the implication of the result which is above average. Above average so na in listening skills. So, naturally born, better at processing because of the above average. Better, good, better, best. Shape understanding. Do not give the description na you said, there are only few, this is kung ano siya. This is the interpretation or the implication of your result, which is above average in the katong listening skills, talking about the shapes or color of shapes na niya siya. So, you have to give the implication directly. This implies that kung saan na siya. And do not think of, there are only few, kanang what describe naman kayo. You're not describing the table, but you are giving the implication. Did you get me? So, that is why some of the things or some of the kind of statement here na not applicable. So, that is why na dili na yung gamiton. Then direct to the point ay ninyo ang imuon. Wala mo din niya siya kay paano ni siya no kinder mo niya siya. But in your kani niya siya in your survey, di ba? Kung sino nga sa survey. Look at the survey. Dayon, di ba you have the katong paper? Katong i-check ninyo. Kamu man ang check, siyempre kay kamu man ang naani to kinder man siya. So, kamu na ang responsible on checking the answer. Like for example, Simon says point to the square. But, di ba? Na 14 ka pin siya above average. So may mga things nga kaning niya siya, they can easily point the square, the circle, the triangle, but carry something if you see a circle in the room. Parang may mga, I don't know, if you see a diamond or an oval or a circle, we do not know kung what particular this kind of item here nga na perfect, nga wala. Diba? Na yung mga na perfect or wala. Ano na sa yung mga papel?
Wala
Na, hindi mo na nasa kayo. Mura mo sana na joke-joke. Oh. So, dili, kasi maning niya siya. Have you noticed square? Point to a square, ang isa din niya, kasi mga kondiri. Attaching something if you see a circle and square. So, makita niyo so that you can give an implication sa ilaha. Kaya may mga shapes din nga dili sila kabalo ma-identify. I don't know kung identify ba sila oval. Diba you have the oval? Kunya ang circle, kay oval is different from circle. Am I right? Oh, so, dili na diretso sa kinder ng oval o ang circle or ang shape na triangle o ang diamond. Mamali ko pang bata ng apart. So they can easily identify the circle, they can easily identify the square, but sometimes, makuha pa sila, malibog pa siya when we talk about kanarang mga shapes o heart, easily ang heart, kay isa lang. But the kaning uban, ito triangle and also the diamond, dayon, if you see a heart shape, smile if you see a heart shape inside the room, that's very easy nila. Pero makita ka, ano ba na, hindi na yung makadiri-diritso o kita sa heart shape. Kaya makita sila heart shape, ilan din ang ma-identify with the red color that is heart. Diba? Hindi na siya basta-basta, that's kinder. So that is why, diha alone, you can make an implication. Based on that, katong result, dapat na atong kualin mong ibukan din ha. Then, mauna na siya nga, kay magbibog magod ka, if you have the implication, it talks about verbal cues related to shape, good listener, listening mo nino? Listening. So you have the cues. Mag-anak ka mo no. So, kung siya nga, need ba siya to give a clue?
Pareha itong bata. Tingnan siya oval, ito yan, yan ang mga design. Or di kaya ikudlo kung pangalan siya maestra nga naka-oval. Sila rin mo kuan.
Pangalan sa maestra nga
Ay, kato ito ang pangalan sa teacher nila. Naka-oval ng siya purna.
Oh, kato nga siya.
Oo.
Pero, wala man kayo nga i-point kaysa give the one.
Pero na yung oval ng nawa.
Oh, then i-correct na nimo. Okay, kabalo sila kung unsay oval. Oh, naa say oval. Pero unsay imong point. Unsay point. From the word alone, point. Point to the. Score na to nimo kay nga na siya.
Nitudlo mo siya kaso. Layuan siguro siya. Yan na lang giaro.
Dito siya, pero yan na siya.
Oval na ito.
Okay, so ikaw na ang nag-understand ng kuan. Ikaw mo ay sanay ka ng researcher. Pero kung may point, it's the point, dapat i-point yun nila. Okay, kaya muna sila kuan. So, I want you to revise and then look at the result, katong result niya, kung saan doon kuha. Ako naman ako may researcher. So that you can develop, you can make the implication based on the result. It's above average sa ilang result, but tanaw mo din mo. Okay, mag-observation mo na din mo makita. Dili kay panhanga, kasi kamo na ang nag-himo dito kay, dili na siya pwede. True to, the next table also which is the color. O, sa color niya, ang color is higher than the shape. So they can easily identify. Now in the color recognition, so your questionnaire, unsa man na? Point pa gihapon or dili? Point to the color of, unsa na? They are going to find?
Yes, ma'am.
Ano naman ito yung kanil? Wala naman to.
Ay, yung point.
Wala akong paano na yung mga hindi na makita tayo. So the color, point siya or bangita? Find the color, something like that. Find na. Okay, tara. So, in that alone, mas higher ang tatong color. Touch something red. So, point to something blue. It's 11. Pero diha, ang pointing, ang identifying the color, yan mo makita. Asa man ang konti. Like for example, okay lang ang red, ang blue, green, circle, purple, pang purple, parang kung pareho sa blue, the brown. Sometimes you cannot identify easily the brown. the brown, the, unsa na? Oh, say the color of your shirt. Bisan o blue, bisan green, ay mo blue, or labi na blue-green, nasa na nimo, no? Black, find something color black. Yellow, not orange. Hindi na, ingon nga, easily na. So, diha alone, you can give the implication. Though the result is 11 points, that's higher than the shade, but natin kayo hatag ng implication na. Kaya in your implication, so you talk about color. Oh, ayan ang many students ha, dito na sa first line. Implies that, oh, develop positions because of rich early experiences such as hearing lots of words describing colors, enjoying stories. Ang mga stories and songs. Ang mga kananitaan eh, playing. Nag-story ba mo o nag-song? In identifying the colors? Color things and ayaw i-appeal o wala i-appeal. Ha? Kay, hindi man ka parang hindi pa another ano po na siya, another katong subject na po na yun or topic. Color things having supportive learning environment and positive so mga factors in the So, try to make an implication based on the result. What is the content? Getting the concept, then that's the time that you can give the exact implication. Not on adding or incorporating those things kay mo na nasa imong mind. No. What is in your study? Focus on your study. Your study talks about the experiences in musical and then impact on listening skills. Impact on listening skills. Remember na in the musical, kung sa ilang ibutan dito, there are just only listening or kung sa manilang, yun hindi. Kung ano no? Yun hindi pa kuwan sa ilang. I-translate.
Yes, ma'am.
I-translate. Ingon ana. So sometimes it's Kinder, so medyo dili kay kaingon na you can get the accurate result. Kaya kasi kina dito dagat na, so may possibility ikaw na lang mo correct. Diba? Ugaro. So, tanong lang yung inyong implication, it should be aligned with the result of your study, ha? And also with your conclusion. Kaya your conclusion, ano na pag-ibutan din eh. Dili na siya ha. Try to look at your title, look at the result of your SOP1, the result of your SOP2, the result of your SOP3. Now you can provide your conclusion. Ayun, pataka. It is clear from the outcome that the null hypothesis, you are mentioning that one in your SOP3. Correct? Napaman ka dyan to. Kung nakakadyan mo, hypothesis, rejected ba or accepted, whatever yung kuhan, basta as long as you are going to base on what dito apart. Pero kung sa ba, na yung idea that you created based on the result of the study. Now, I'm not only talking about the result nga sa SOP3, but all about the result ito sa imong tanan nga table. Kaya you're basing it on the title of your study. That's all.